And in this today's tutorial, we are going to understand how to add conditional tasks, how to add conditions to the task based on the requirement of the plant in FlexSim simulation. Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit Leansimcorp.com and here you will be getting different support related to FlexSim simulation and related to FlexSim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from FlexSim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now Leansimcorp.com and be a member. Why? As discussed in the last tutorial, the destination group is basically an array. Each group member in the array is assigned as an index, based on the order they appear in the group. The destination number label will eventually refer to the index number of one of the queue in the destination group. Okay, so destination we're going to have 3 queues, right? So it is going to refer each, like 1 means the first queue, 2 means the second queue, that is what it is. Which means that will become the index for the queue that is listed first in the destination group right now, as I mentioned, right? So that is where is the importance of creating the assign label thing, okay? And this is going to basically make this system work accordingly. So assign label, as I mentioned, the function of this is to get which queue we are moving ahead, okay? Now, the next part which comes out to be is that the unload destination, okay? This is the unload destination. And in the unload destination, we need to have multiple things. So this is a run subflow, okay? And in this, you can see these properties has to be edited and we'll understand what is the use of each of these activities. And before we go ahead, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and share with friends. If you have any queries, put that down in the comment section below. Do not forget to access our premium content on Leansimcorp.com. You will have access to FlexSim models, FlexSim modules and training courses. Visit Leansimcorp.com. Now, if you see here, we have a new label been created at run_subflow, that is destination. And there you're going to type this as the group destination token.destination number. Why is this been created? Is that we are basically checking group, and in that group we are finding out if the token.destination number is 1, we are going to go for Q1. If it is 2, we are going to go for Q2. And if it is 3, we are going to go to Q3. That is the purpose of this destination code. Okay, that is how this works. And that is the beauty of this and how it is going to work in there, right? Here, if you come down to the conditional decide, what we are doing is we are checking for the items we have, total items, okay, we have. If that items are basically, what I can say, I have no item in my operator hand, the process is done. If I have it in my hand, I'm going to go ahead, right? And I'm going to basically check that process out. So what does this mean? This expression, which I am mentioning, right? Token.group of items. Activity, so this expression tells the decide activity to check and see if there are more items in the group item array which we created at the top. The first part of the expression refers the array you created in the previous operator task portion of the process flow. The dot length refers to the number of indices it is going to have. In other words, it returns the value based on how many items now remain in the group of array. And if it is greater than 0, the code checks and the value is greater than 0. If there are still items left to unload, the expression will return a positive number. That means the value expression will turn true and the token will be going to the next activity. Okay, that is the next activity, destination number 1. And if there are no items left, expression will return 0 and it will exit the run subflow. Okay, it will exit the loop and it will go down. Now, in the destination number coming down, what we are going to do is we are incrementing the label here. Okay, so okay, I did it for Q1, but is there anything now? Is there a space in my queue? No, I'll check for a second queue now. So that is where destination number increment label, here you need to assign. So it will +1. So the second queue it will check for, okay, it will go for the second queue. It will check whether I am going to have this. So this condition is very important now. We're going to check that. So we incremented it to Q2. Okay. In the destination, in this decide condition, what we are putting is token.destination number is less than or equal to group. Okay. And that is where it is going to be very important to be checked onto. Okay. Now let us see how that works. If you're looking for FlexSim simulation support or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit Leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains.